If you've been wondering how to record business loans and track repayments without getting buried in spreadsheets or making accounting mistakes, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to do this step by step using software we've tested extensively, and by the end, you'll know how to stay organized and avoid costly errors. Plus, I'll share access to an exclusive free trial of the software I personally recommend, only available through this channel, so you can follow along. First, let's talk about recording the loan itself. When your business receives a loan, you'll want to record the funds as a liability, not income. In the software we're using, go to your chart of accounts and add a new liability account. Name it something clear like business loan, lender name. This helps keep your books clean and makes repayment tracking a lot easier later on. Next, record the loan deposit. Create a journal entry or bank transaction depending on your software, where you credit the loan liability account and debit your business bank account. That's how you show the money coming in while correctly labeling it as borrowed, not earned. Now let's move on to tracking repayments. Every repayment usually has two components, principal and interest. It's important to separate them. When you record a loan repayment, split the transaction into two lines. The principal portion should reduce the loan liability account, and the interest should be categorized as an expense, usually under loan interest or finance charges. You can get this information from your loan amortization schedule or bank statement. Most business owners miss this step and end up overstating expenses or underreporting liabilities, which can cause tax headaches or financial misreporting. The software we're using makes this simple. You can even set up recurring repayments, so every month it auto-splits your payment between principal and interest. Once set, you just need to reconcile it with your bank feed. That's it. No need for manual tracking or spreadsheets. Also, one small tip. Review your loan liability account at least once a quarter. Make sure the remaining balance matches your loan statement from the bank. If there's a mismatch, it usually means a repayment wasn't split correctly or a payment got missed. By the way, if you want to follow along and try this yourself, I've linked an exclusive free trial of the software in the description. It's the one I recommend after testing the top options, and the link is only available to viewers of my channel. Now, here's the key takeaway. Recording business loans and tracking repayments correctly isn't just good practice. It gives you clarity on cash flow, helps with tax time, and avoids financial reporting issues down the line. Quick recap. 1. Record the loan as a liability, not income. 2. Record the deposit into your bank account by crediting the liability and debiting the bank account. 3. For repayments, split between principal and interest. 4. Use your software's automation tools to handle recurring payments. 5. Regularly check the loan balance against your statements. Before you go, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the easiest way to implement everything I just showed you and make your business finances way more manageable.